Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tanjavur location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Apex Heart Hospital. They are looking for assistant cashier. The job responsibility is daily report submission to directors and managing petty cash. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 80986 93757. Next, there is a job openings for emergency medical technician for Apex Heart Hospital. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 10,000 a month. Cardiac and post OP ICU care CABZ. So this is the thing they have given. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 80986 93757. Next, there is a job openings for Aishwarya Fertility Hospital. They are looking for MBBS or MD DZO with infertility fellowship for this position. Salary offered minimum 1 lakh to 1,50,000 a month. Qualification MD physician or MD emergency medicine to apply. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. If you feel this position is not suitable, you can browse the provided website address and you can apply for the job you are looking for. And there will be a career application form. You can fill in details and you can apply for the job. If they have vacancy, you will be reverted back to the email. The contact number is 7502710999. Next, there is job openings for Aishwarya Fertility Center for duty doctor position. Qualification MBBS or BHMS. Salary offered minimum 14,500 to up to 50,000 a month. You should counsel the patients and coordinate IVF and IUI cycles for patients as directed by practice physicians. You are responsible for ensuring all required labs and procedures are completed and documented in case files, and you should able to document accurately all patient care services in artworks. You should able to trace of patients phone calls and other communications. You should provide patient counseling and education. So like this, there is a lot of responsibility, so you can go through it one by one. And they like ensure quality and accuracy of materials provided to the patients. So you can check with the in detailed information. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7502710999. Next, there is a job openings for physiotherapy assistant for Apex Heart Hospital. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 12,000 a month. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 80986 93757. Next, there is a job openings for cardiac OT nurse for Apex Heart Hospital. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 20,000 a month. You should have experience in assisting CABZ, MVR, congenital heart surgeries. This will be added advantage. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 80986 93757. Next, there is a job openings for agriculture marketing position for Sion Biotech. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month. Company description if you see. Sion Biotech, a startup, was created and recognized under Stand Up in India, Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, Government of India. They are dedicated to develop novel biodegradable products and to exploit natural resources to increase the farm productivity, keeping safe environment in mind. So this is basically a agriculture based organization, and it's a great organization to work with. If you see qualification is diploma or BSc in agriculture, you should have a good knowledge, experience in organic farming, and will willing for regular field visits. So this is the qualification they are asking, diploma or BSc in agriculture. Roles and responsibilities if you see, you should be able to create awareness of organic farming and sets and contact new farmers for organic farming in respective area. They will be assigned from for a respective area for field visits. So you should be able to search and contact new farmers for organic farming interested in, they have to find out. You should conduct farmer training program of concerned project, and you should be able to supervise the farmers of concerned project, supervise crops from time to time. So these are all the roles and responsibilities in detailed information available, and should be able to implement the internal controls for organic production. You should maintain the records. You should submit the project data with compiled to higher authorities. So these are all the roles and responsibilities. It's a great organization to work with as it is related to environment, and you should have a knowledge of organic farming. Experience will be added advantage, and you should be willing to regular field visits. So these are all the requirements they are asking. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9655264718. Next, there is a job openings for Habib Technologies LLP. They are looking for SEO assistant. Only freshers are eligible for this job role. You can see required education qualifications are BE or BTech, MCA or MSc, computer science background, or BSc, computer science background, or BCA. And you should have knowledge of HTML, CSS, Photoshop, and browsing knowledge. And you should, freshers are eligible, as they said, they are only preferring more preference will be given to the freshers. And you can see there is a note: express your interest in the cover letter when you are applying for the job. Applications without a cover letter will be rejected. You have to write the cover letter, and you have to share to the provided email address. You must write the cover letter why you are applying. When you are applying for the job, you have to express your interest, why you are found interest to work with the Habib Technologies LLP, and why you are interested in SEO assistant position. You have to write a cover letter, and you have to apply for the same to the provided contact email ID. You have to share your resume along with cover letter. Without cover letter, they will not consider the application. You can check with this note. And email ID is careers@habeeptch.com. So you have to share your resume to the provided web email address, and along with cover letter. Do not forget to attach the cover letter, as they will not consider your application without your cover letter. You can also check with the address details I have provided here. Next, there is a job openings for Central Institute for Cotton Research. There is a direct walk-in interview for the selection of temporary position of young professional 1 and 2 on 1st and 2nd February 2021. For more details, you can visit the official website of Central Institute for Cotton Research. This is www.cicr.org.in. For more details, you can browse the provided website address, and there will be a walk-in interview on 1st and 2nd February 2021. This is the address details. You can check with that. That organization address is available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for ACS EN Techs. They are looking for various positions like trainee technician. Qualification is BE or diploma, any stream, and BSc maths and other maths major subjects with no errors. And both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Job location will be Attur, Salem. Freshers are eligible, and up to 3 years of any field experience will be considered. And age limit is below 26 years. The age should be below 26 years. So the job location will be Salem. Yeah, check with this. And there is one more job opening: graduate trainee. Qualification is any graduation. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Job location will be same. It is located in Attur, Salem. And freshers are eligible for the job role, and up to 3 years of experience any field is considered, and age limit is below 26 years. And there is also offering free accommodation and food from the organization itself. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7810098783, and you can share your resume at the provided email ID hr@acsyentex.com. So you can share your resume, and you can contact on the given phone number for further information. And there will be a competitive salary offered and awesome benefits from the organization. This is one of the great organization to work with it. You can contact on the given phone number for further details and get to know detailed information. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Tanjavur location. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Tanjavur jobs, and share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Please like our videos. It will be a great advantage for our channel, and it will grow, and it will help us to give more updates and more job openings for Tanjavur location. And thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please share our videos and like our videos with your family members, and share with your family members and friends as well who are in need of job. It will be helping them as well. Thank you so much for your support, and a lot of love and support from you I am getting. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.